Bless you, Melo. Show me your sneezes. Bless you. Bless you. Who's that? Can you show me how you sneeze?
Oh, take this stuff back. Kai, you gotta take this back.
Bless you. Can you tell me dinosaur? Can you say dinosaur? Okay. He's gonna sneeze attack. Babe.
Uh-oh.
He's looking at you.
Dinosaur. Dinosaur.
Show us how you say dinosaur. What's this? Where's our dinosaur? What's this? Do you have a dinosaur, Kai? No, we don't have any dinosaurs. Hey, can you say dinosaur? Can you say dinosaur?
Whoa.
Who's that dinosaur? Who's that, Melo?
Oh.
Is that Dada?
Can I eat it?
What's this right here? Look at this. What's this?
This smells yummy.
Is that a dinosaur? Not really, but... Can you say dinosaur? He's got a serious cold. What's this? What's that? Is that a dinosaur? Can you say dinosaur, Melo? Where's Wawa?